Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys are now in another episode of the Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us here today. You're going to
Hello everyone, Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the market report for May 15th, 2024. Got a lot of up arrows definitely won this week. Market's always moving, closings happen every day. We did see active available inventory at 381 homes, the highest since the peak February 7th. We're showing that up 8% week over week, up 24% year over year. New listings also came in highest since March 13th peak, up 16% week over week, up 7% year over year, which shows that demand is still stronger than inventory coming in. Still stripping it down, pretty much price a home right, put it on the market, it's gone in the median 7 days right now. Solds came in down 4% week over week, up 12% year over year. Pendings came in down 15% week over week, down 3% year over year. Median sale price came in at $260,000, showing 11% appreciation based on last year's number. Days on market stayed about the same as last week. Still a little slower than last year. 28 average, 7 median versus last year it was 19 average, 3 median. Homes sold came in at 4,345 over the last 12 months versus last year 4,761, showing down 9%, but remember that number's still rising from its peak at 18%. Available inventory we need for a 6-month, which is minimum, is balanced inventory 6 to 12 months of inventory. We're showing we'd need 2,172 and a half homes. We have 381, showing we've still got strong buyer demand at 5.7. We're looking at just over a month's supply inventory right now. And that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.